Welcome to Sternside on YouTube. Today we're going to be making low carb blueberry smoothies. What we'll be using is 14 ounces of unsweetened coconut milk. We'll be using 3 ounces or 3/4 of a cup of frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries, which we're using fresh blueberries. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then we're going to be using half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. When you first get your coconut milk, it comes with a lot of liquid in it, the canned one I got. So I drained most of the liquid, so it's probably less than 14 ounces. I'll show you a little bit of what it looked like before I drained it in the bowl versus when I did. So I'm using a magic bullet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my little container here, and I'm going to start this a little differently. I'm going to do the blueberries first, and then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Which it says in the recipe it's about 14 ounces. The can was about 13 point something, including all the liquids in it. So now it's probably a lot less. So I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then going to add a half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Learn from my mistake. Hey, I like vanilla, so I'm pretty okay with this. Now, what I'm going to do, go ahead and use, from my magic bullet, this blade right here to make it smooth. And just put it on. Going to grab my magic bullet. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to raise you guys up so you can see the whole thing. It also says on dietdoctors.com that you can add more lemon juice if you desire. This is for 2 servings. And this looks good. That's kind of what you want it to look like. So we're going to go ahead and pour ourselves. I'll also bring you guys back down so you can see a better glimpse of this. It's going to kind of look like this. I'm going to use a smaller glass, because when you pour this in, this is what you got. When it all comes together, this is what you get. If you don't use all the liquid that comes with the coconut milk, which next time I'll learn better this time. Now let's give it a good taste test, see what we think of it. Okay, I think the only flaw I made this time is I dumped all the coconut milk juices or liquids. I don't know the correct terminology. I'm an amateur, I'm not a professional chef at all. This has turned into more of like a yogurt. If you liked what you saw today, please remember to, of course, to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. If you want to check out more stuff that I cook on stream or games, go ahead and check out www.twitch.tv/Sternside. And you'll see me do cooking streams lives on Sunday night at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Monday morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please remember to, of course, stay out of trouble, because that is my job. Have a good day, everyone. See you next video.